If it does, boom, all your stops would be triggered. No harm, no foul. Flip the script as long as it stays above 620.50. Boom. Let's take a peek at Oracle. ORCL. No, Oracle is a no-go. Oracle's a no-go. No, don't touch that. 237 was the bounce. Wait till the break of VWAP and hold to the upside before you go dancing with that devil. You hear me?
All right, 10-4.
Thank you. All right, let's see. 620 still on SPY. 620 still on SPY. That's still everything, right, gang? Good job over there, Mark. I see you. Training futures in front of all of your faces live every day from 2 to 4 o'clock. All right, there's your 620 bounce to 620.56. Now, do you guys all see if I'm going to short this, why I'm waiting for that below 620? Everybody sees that, right?
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah.
21
Right.
too, right?
Yep. Now, right here, we're at 620.56. I can short this right here. You got the 21 there, 620.56 there. I'm missing it because I'm talking about it, but this is the short. Okay. Okay. And where would my stop go right here? If I shorted this here, where would my stop go?
Right above
21.
Right above it.
There you go. So how big is my risk?
Small.
Minimal.
Very little.
What about my reward?
Huge.
There you
Great.
go.
Endless.
Endless, infinite, forever. Right here, watching SPY. See if this has the momentum to break that 620.50 or not. If it does, boom, all your stops would be triggered. No harm, no foul. Flip the script as long as it stays above 620.50. Boom, we'll lock it, long it back up to VWAP. This is still technically considered at the 21, which is still resistance, which is still a battle zone for you. Do you understand what I'm telling you? Okay, good.
Yes, coach.
I'm gonna dance just a little bit here, real short. Oh, don't like that red candle coming out of there. Come on, you get a spike. To get out of this trade, I'm gonna flip this to a 30-second. All right, here we go. We're back below that 620.50. So I will short it here on the move below 620.50. It was green, but I wanted a little more. Still okay off this spot. Oh, it's just sitting here dancing on this spot. Come on. There it goes. I'll take it. There it goes. Now, I want you guys to understand, did you everybody see how I was going against what everybody in your heads wanted to do? Did everybody catch that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we did.
Yep. How many of you wanted to long that while I was shorting it?
I
I'll
would.
admit it.
Yep. Yeah, I would say everybody in the room. Hold on one sec. Let me get my dog some water. Hi, baby.